Everyone, welcome to the channel InfoAnil. We have heard from the many people that TCS job is like a government job. So is it true? Let's know in this video. So before moving forward, let me tell you that everyone has their own view of seeing the things. So I am presenting my views. I will present some factor in front of you where government job is better than the TCS job, and also some factors where TCS job is better than the government job, and also some factors where the government job and the TCS job is at the same level. So let's know about these factors. So the first one, we will talk about DNS allowance. If we talk about the government job, we will get a DNS allowance almost 40% of the basic salary. But if we talk of the DNS allowance in case of the TCS, then we will get no DNS allowance. Now the second is pension. So if you got a government job and you will get pension after your retirement, but in the case of TCS you will not get pension after the retirement. So here government job has an advantage. Third, we will talk about the stability. So in government job, your job is secure. No one will fire you from the job until or unless you involved in criminal act or do something that is against the policy. So now let's talk about the TCS. So this is the biggest factor and reason why TCS is compared to the government job. No one will fire you from the TCS. There are so many less cases where people fired. Not fire you until or unless you will not break the policy or the rules of the company. So if we talk, so stability is the point where your job in both the sectors is secure. Now let's talk about the salary structure. So starting salary of higher grade government employee are more than the employee of the TCS. But if we talk about the long run, government job salary can never reach the height of a TCS salary. So in this point, TCS wins over the government job. Now come to the point learning. In government sector, job learning is so less, even nothing. You will not learn new technologies, new things, new work, and new skills. But if we come to the TCS, then you will get to learn a lot of things. TCS provide you lots of online learning portals, access, courses, seminars, study applications that will help you to gain knowledge in new technologies. Talk about the on-site opportunity. If you are seeking for the on-site opportunity, then in government sector there will be no on-site opportunities you will get. But in case of TCS, you will get your on-site opportunity if your luck is good. If we talk about the increment in the salary, but it's surprising but true that increment in the government jobs are slower, while TCS gives you almost 6 to 8% hike every year. If we talk about the power, yes, government job. If we talk about the government job officials higher level, so higher officials have lot of power in their hand, like IAS, IPS officers and other administrative and executive level officers. In case of TCS, no such power in the hand of an employee of a TCS. So here government job wins over the TCS job. Now let's talk about the work-life balance. So at this point, both are the almost same. No, so comparing to high-grade government job and a TCS work life is almost same. Employees of both the government and the TCS work extra on some days. So here at this point, work-life balance, both are same. So thank you for watching the video. Please make sure to subscribe this channel.